viewers, big news coming in. We have a big breaking news. Apparently, Dharmendra Pradhan has resigned. This is the big breaking news coming in. Will it end the impasse, the dialogue, the deadlock which is happening? The big breaking news coming in at this point of time. We believe we are getting to know the information. The big breaking news coming in is that Dharmendra Pradhan has resigned. What happens next? Is it going to be the end of the deadlock, the impasse, all of that which we are seeing? Pragya joining us live on the broadcast. Pragya, we are breaking this big news first. It's first on Times Now. Is it confirmed? Has Dharmendra Pradhan indeed resigned?
Absolutely. In fact, Dharmendra Pradhan himself has shared this particular information, on his social media handle. And he has written a long letter also in, while posting this on his social media. He has spoken about how he has always worked for the aspirations of youngsters, and he has always tried to justify the expectations that have been there. And he also says that he is respecting this particular aspirations and expectation from the youngsters. He has written a very long letter about NEET as well, and said that despite the fact that on 3rd of May there was a NEET UGC examination, there were some discrepancies that were found, but Government of India had taken cognizance, and in fact CBI has also started investigating the same on the very same day. Despite the fact that government also started and also completed the NEET examination and also tried to do a computer-based test, from the next year, he has written everything that the government has done. Whatever he could have said in the discussion on NEET in Parliament, he has written that out in his letter, and he has addressed his letter to his Yuva Sathi, which means that he is addressing youngsters. He is saying that I have, for the past 4 decades, I have been in the student life. I have been a teacher. I have also been dedicated to, Sudhar in education. And he said that I have always had a trust in visionary education system, and which is also a foundation of Sashakt Bharat. And this is, a heartfelt note by Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan to all the youngsters who have been demanding his resignation. After his resignation,
absolutely,
now we believe that
Pragya, stay with us. This is the biggest news of the day, viewers. News first broken on Times Now. Confirmation: Dharmendra Pradhan resigns. He has posted a letter on social media. I believe my colleague Hina is joining us live. Hina, take us through what Dharmendra Pradhan has had to say.
That's right, Meenakshi. This is the copy of the letter that has been put out by Dharmendra Pradhan himself on social media platform X. And here's what it says. मेरे युवा साथियों, he is addressing the young people of this country. मैं पिछले 4 दशकों से अधिक समय से छात्र, शिक्षक और शिक्षा सुधार के लिए समर्पित रहा हूं. मेरा सदैव ये विश्वास रहा है कि एक सशक्त, समावेशी और दूरदर्शी शिक्षा व्यवस्था ही सशक्त राष्ट्र की आधारशिला होती है. And he has also spoken about what happened on 3rd of May. किंतु 3 मई 2026 को हुई नीट यूजी की परीक्षा में सामने आई अनियमितता पाई गई. भारत सरकार ने इसको तुरंत संज्ञान में लेते हुए जांच सीबीआई को सौंपी और परीक्षा को रद्द कर दिया और दोबारा से परीक्षा की तिथि घोषित की. इसके साथ ही अगले वर्ष से इस परीक्षा को सीबीटी कंप्यूटर बेस्ड टेस्ट मोड में करने का निर्णय लिया गया. But if you see the second page here, this is where it mentions clearly that Jantar Mantar par desh mein jo
apologies, I'm interrupting you. We have Karti Chidambaram on the phone line with us. Sir, how will you react? Big news coming in. Dharmendra Pradhan has resigned.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead, sir. How will you respond, sir? Big news coming in at this point of time, sir. Dharmendra Pradhan has resigned, sir.
This could have been done much earlier, and a lot of acrimony could have been avoided. But it's I welcome the decision of the minister to suspend his resignation. But now we must also strengthen the systems by which there are no more paper leaks going forward.
All right, sir, do stay with us. That was Karti Chidambaram saying that the resignation could have come earlier. I believe we also have IP Singh on the phone line with us. Thank you for joining us, Mr. IP Singh. How will you react? Dharmendra Pradhan has resigned.
देखिए, प्रधानमंत्री जिस तरह से 2 दिन युवाओं से बात करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, उसे लग रहा था कि धर्मेंद्र प्रधान का कभी भी इस्तीफा आ सकता है। लेकिन 20 बच्चों की मौत हो गई, उन्होंने आत्महत्या कर लिया, इतना देश की संसद ठप पड़ी है, देश ठप पड़ा हुआ है। दिल्ली जो देश की राजधानी हृदय है वो पूरी तरह से ठप है। लाखों छात्र वहां बैठे हुए हैं। आज इस धर्मेंद्र प्रधान के इस्तीफे से आगे बढ़ चुका है। सरकार किसी भी सूरत में काम नहीं कर पाएगी। देश चाहता है कि प्रधानमंत्री और गृह मंत्री इस्तीफा दें, और मैं समझता हूं कि देश का युवा और सभी राजनीतिक दल प्रधानमंत्री की इस्तीफा।
Right. So while Pradhan quits amidst the protest, opposition, a very similar sort of voice coming in from the opposition saying that it could have been done earlier. I believe we have more reactions coming in, live reactions coming in. We have more reactions. Let's listen in to those reactions.
We have bloody talent.